Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to this back. Hey, how you all doing? I hope you're doing okay. I'm back. Yeah, me. Welcome to another session. And I have, guess what? Well, you saw it right there. I have this Nissan Juke. Yep. It's a 2011 Nissan Juke, and this is a stick shift, by the way. I just want to say that if you want to see a specific vehicle, like a video on a specific vehicle, like let's say Nissan Altima, go to my channel, go to my videos, and type in the search box Nissan Camry. Press enter, and a list of Nissan vehicles or Camry vehicles is gonna pop up, and you just have to select the one you're looking for. All right. Other than that, don't forget to always wear your safety goggles, safety glasses. Don't forget your gloves also. Okay. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all the people that are subscribed to my channel. Hug and kisses, no homo, pause. And yeah, please bang, hit, destroy the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Don't forget to share this video. Maybe you know someone that has a Nissan Juke. Yeah, just give it to them. They would appreciate it. And yeah, the most important thing, the feedback. Don't forget the feedback. Put it in the comment box for me. Anything you need to say about this vehicle, put it in the comment box for me. I would appreciate it, and other people that watch these videos gonna appreciate it too. Okay, I heard a lot of rumors about this vehicle. On the low, I want to mention that I used to work for a Nissan dealership, and the mechanics there, I heard bad things about this vehicle. It has too many problems and all that, but I don't want to sound negative. I mean, if you like this vehicle because of the size and the design, it's good. I'm not gonna say, I'm not gonna be negative. You know what I'm saying? I just want to mention that though. I don't own one, so I cannot tell you, what's wrong with it. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it right there. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Come with me. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change, and after that, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Okay. All right, come with me. I'll show you how to do that with a stool. Get it?
Oh, you motherfuckers like to dance? What song? I'm tripping my balls off. Let's do this shit. tripping my balls off. Let's do this shit.
Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to the second. Hey. Alright, so let me give you a rundown of what I did. Alright, I put 4.5 quarts of 5W30 regular oil. Okay. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just destroy, hit, bang, do all that to the subscribe button. Hit the bell so you notify every time I upload a new video. You know what I'm saying? Destroy, hit, bang the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Don't forget to share. And the feedback, anything you need to say about this vehicle, put it in the comment box for me. I would appreciate it. The same as the people who watch this video. You know what I'm saying? It's all about sharing knowledge. You know what I'm saying? On the other hand, I don't see this vehicle have a procedure how to reset the oil life. So it's automatic. Alright, you don't have to reset. You cannot reset the oil life in this 2011 Nissan Juke. It's alright, just so you know. And I'm gonna leave it right here. I'll get you in the next one. Alright, if you have anything to say, please put in the comment box for me. Hit the bell so you'll notify next time I upload a video. And if you're looking for a specific project, go to my channel, go to videos, type the type of car you're looking for in the search box, press enter, and the specific vehicle is gonna pop up, and there you go. All right, have fun, enjoy. I hope you like it, and I catch you in the next one. Hey.